What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video brought to you by me, Colin Bracken, here on my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be about my power stroke. Today we're going to be getting the Can-Am a makeover. So we're going to be going down to Green's Off-Road. They're going to be taking this stock cage off. They're going to be replacing it with a lowered cage. So I am going to wait to tell you guys exactly what color and stuff we're doing on this, because wait till the end of the video and you guys are going to be super impressed with it. But 2019 Can-Am X3. My flatbed is currently being used by somebody else, and my other car hauler is being used by my dad. So I have my dad's dump trailer to haul my Can-Am in. I've never actually done this, but it's gonna be kind of fun. I did get the wireless one Airlift 7500 XL bags installed on my truck, and this is gonna be the first time that I have an actual load on there. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. These ramps are super sketchy and they're not heavy duty, and they're really meant for a motorcycle. So let's go ahead and see if this works. If not, we'll have it on video. I can't believe that actually worked. Alrighty, so that may or may not been one of the sketchiest things we have done on the channel. I've gone ahead and got it all secured in. I've got the ramps in and we are ready to go. I'm not really worried about this thing rolling or going anywhere, but you might as well strap it down because it's better on the transmission. We're gonna go ahead and get the airbags pumped up. So I do have this little controller, and currently it's set to 5 PSI. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that up. I'm gonna go ahead and put 20 in there. You'll hear the compressor kick on. Go ahead and fill those little bags up. These are, again, the Airlift 7500 XL series, so really heavy duty bags. We're not really ever gonna put that much on top of this truck because the payload is not even rated for that. But it's always nice to have a little bit extra than you need in anything towing. You'd much rather have over than under, except for weight. You don't wanna have weight over or under. Let's go ahead and get the power stroke started up. Remote start, one-time wonder, baby. Let's go. Yes. So we're gonna be doing barely any drop on this cage because I am 6'2" and I do have subs under my seat, so I am not going to be lowering the seats at all, even though a lower car would be super cool. I'm more about functionality and my safety. I have been in a couple side-by-side accidents before. One actually split the back of my head open. So I decided that with this one, we're gonna go safer. So we're gonna be doing a windshield, a cage. I'm not doing a bumper because this is gonna be a sand car. I'm hoping to get another Can-Am just for trail riding. We're gonna go ahead and leave this with Ron. We do have a trip coming up in a couple weeks and we will finish the video when we pick this up. Anyway, we'll see you guys as soon as it's done. So we're gonna push 8 right there, and then you probably can't hear it, but it's gonna go shh, let all the air out, and we're gonna be good to go. So we're gonna hurry and get home because the weather is not looking too good, and we will see you guys on pickup day. Peace out. So Cache Valley Coatings hooked it up fat on the powder coat. He got me in with very little notice, but he did just an incredible job. Incredible job. So now we're down here at Zebros here in Logan, Utah. We are gonna be getting our shocks put on my Can-Am. Here we have radius rods. Here we have our new paddles, Scat Tracks, 14 paddles. We also have wheels in here that are gonna be mounting to those. I'm gonna head to work, come back and pick these things up, and then I'm gonna head home and install. So I just dropped off my shocks at Zebros, and I think I'm having like some parent blues. It feels like I just dropped my kid off for school. I honestly just can't wait to come back and pick him up. Alrighty, so just picked up the shocks from over here at Z-Bros, got them loaded up to get home, put on the Can-Am. Josue, who actually ended up doing the shocks for me, longtime childhood friend, give us a rundown real quick of what you found when you were in there and what you did to tune them up for me.
Yeah, for sure. So basically when I was ripping into these, took the old springs off, pressed down on the shaft where the eyelet's at, no nitrogen at all, basically running on straight just springs. Shot it up right back up with nitrogen, 200 psi. Called Colin, asked him what kind of riding, you know, style he likes. He said super hard, tuned him up for him. So yeah, he's gonna love it.
And huge shout out to Z-Bros, shout out to Josue for hooking it up, being completely open and just honest with me the whole time. Hey, there was this problem, do you want me to fix this? Do you want me to do this? Do you want me to do this? Hey, we're missing some parts, I'm gonna have to grab some other ones. And they just really took care of me. So huge shout out again to Pete, Josue, and Nate for hooking it up. And we'll see you guys back at the house. Alrighty guys, so it has been a few months, but we have a ton of new things on this Can-Am, and I'm excited to finally show you guys the reveal. So here it is, check it out.